Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel Srishti's Education, and this is your part 2 of getting to know plants of class 6th. So in the previous lecture we have discussed about the types of plant and the parts of plant. So in today's lecture we're going to cover about leaf. Leaf is a main and important part of आर प्लांट ओके प्लांट तो सबसे ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट होता है, लेकिन उसके अंदर जो पार्ट्स होते हैं जैसे कि लीफ इज़ वन ऑफ देम. इट इज़ अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट. So we're going to discuss this part and it is very interesting. So here you can see that it is given a beautiful leaf and there is a parts of them like this is the lamina. Now what is a lamina? Lamina, the border of the green part of leaf is called lamina. Okay, it means lamina. Here it is given what is a lamina. Lamina is a broad part that is a green part. You can see, if you don't understand, this is the broad part of green, the border. This is the border and it is called lamina. Okay, and next this is the stem. This is the stem we called this. ये जो है, जो आपके लीफ से जुड़ा हुआ है, इसको हम पेटियोल कहते हैं. पेटियोल, इट इज़ ऑल्सो अ पार्ट ऑफ देम. पेटियोल आई थिंक आपके लिए थोड़ा सा न्यू वर्ड होगा, क्योंकि इन द 5th स्टैंडर्ड पेटियोल नहीं था. तो ये जो दिस पार्ट विच इज़ जॉइंड, विच इज़ अटैच टू द लीफ इज़ कॉल्ड पेटियोल. ओके, and one more part is there. These are called veins. What? These, the lines are there, are the veins of the leaf. It is called veins. If you don't believe, then let me show you one diagram. Okay, no, there is no diagram, I'm sorry, but it is written that these lines on the leaf are called veins. So if you see very closely to the leaf, you can see the lines, the veins are there. See in this diagram only. See these lines, these are the lines which is called veins. Okay. So what we have discussed about lamina, petiole and stem and veins. So let me tell you the one by one all definitions, and then there's something had become one extra thing. These lines on the leaf are called veins. Now do you see a prominent the line in the middle of the leaf? This is called the midrib. It is also a very new word. Okay, now what is a midrib? Let me tell you. You can see that it is a line which is in middle of the leaf. It is called the niblet. Okay, the line midrib है. तो ये जो midrib है, ये जो सेंटर में जो लाइन है आपकी बनी है यहाँ पर, इसको हम midrib कहते हैं. ठीक है. Midrib is also one of the part of this leaf. जब आप लीफ, कोई भी लीफ ले लो हाथ में, आपको मिडल में एक लाइन दिखेगी जो होती है लीफ में, और वो मिडरिब होती है. और उसके बाजू में जितने भी लाइंस दिखती हैं वो वेन्स होते हैं. और जितना पूरा बॉर्डर होता है जो लीफ का, जो ग्रीनी होता है, उसको हम लैमिना कहते हैं. एंड द पार्ट ऑफ वेयर द लीफ इज अटैच इज कॉल्ड अ स्टेम. एंड या the part that is attached to the leaf is called petiole, and stem is also one of them. So still there I have tell you. Now the next thing is leaf. Leaf is divided into two parts, reticulate and parallel venation. So this I will tell you on the whiteboard. So let's go on whiteboard. So this is our whiteboard in which I will explain you the parts, the two types of veins. First is reticulate and second is parallel venation. So first I am going to explain you what is reticulate and then I will tell you parallel venation. So let me make a one simple leaf. This is your leaf and this is your midrib. Now these are your veins. Now if you notice one thing, that these veins are in V shaped. These veins are in V shape like this. So the leaves which are in V-shaped structure are called reticulate veins. What? Reticulate veins. This is called a reticulate veins. This is the one part, this is the one type of leaf. I will tell you again. The leaf, the veins that is in V-shaped structure are the leaves are called reticulate veins. And the next is parallel veins. Let me make again a normal and simple leaf. Here I will draw midrib and these are veins. So if you notice one thing, you can say that this is a little bit different from reticulate vein. How? Because these are in parallel form to each other. In parallel. So these are in parallel forms. That's why these kind of leaves are called parallel veins. So we have discussed two types of veins. First is reticulate and second is parallel. Reticulate are the leaves which veins are like V-shaped structure, and parallel veins are parallel to each other. So you can see that they are straight and parallel to each other. That's why these leaves are called parallel. Let's go again to our chapter. So we have discussed that reticulate vein and parallel. Now let me tell you the example, the diagram. This is the reticulate vein. You can see it is like in this V-shaped structure. And if you notice in another diagram, this diagram you can see that it is straight and the veins of this leaf are parallel. What? They are parallel to each other. That's why this leaf is called parallel veins. This reticulate. So here we are going to finish our video, our chapter. Basically I have made this video in a purpose of telling you what are the leaves and what are its types. Not much is there. देखो लीफ का मैंने अभी तक आपको सिर्फ पार्ट्स बताया. अभी हम लोग ये सीखेंगे कि लीव्स में leaves how leaves take oxygen from carbon dioxide from us and how it gives oxygen to us, how the leaf breathe, how they make their food, how they get food, what are the stem and root are the main sources of giving food to the leaves and the parts of a plant. Root absorb the water from the ground and it transports into the stem. Stem distribute the water and nutrients to all the parts of a plant. So this process is basically called photosynthesis, which we are going to discuss in the next coming videos. I think this chapter will take 2 to 4 parts. So if you need any other things, so please tell me. And yeah, आपने doubts बहुत अच्छे से पूछा करो. मैं आपके हर doubt को clear करूँगी. I am promising you. But please, if you have any doubt or if you want to give me any suggestions, please give me. Thank you so much.